Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's called Hello Summer, and that's being hosted by the Rustic Willow and House to Home. Okay, now they do have a guest and it's Crafty Art Shack, and so let's jump right into this video, guys. Now, as in all collaborations, it's always good to practice YouTube etiquette. Now remember to click the like button, full watch the video, and subscribe to the channels. And guys, don't forget to mention the host and the guest host in your videos. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I just want to thank you so much for supporting my channel from the bottom of my heart. So now what I did here is grab a couple of items that I had in my stash, and yes, they did come from the Dollar Tree to create this beautiful cloche. I cannot wait for you to see the end result. Now in my store, we have the plus section, and I'm so happy about that plus section, guys. They have items that are $3 and items that are $5. Well, they have these gold leaf and silver leaf, and I think they even have it in the rose gold. Absolutely beautiful to work with. I love it, and I'm pretty sure they'd be more expensive if you got it elsewhere. And just in case you use resin, they also have resin, guys. Can't believe it. Now, just so you know what it is that I am using, in the party section of the Dollar Tree, they have this plastic cake plate. Absolutely perfect size for that plastic dome for the cloche that you can find there. So if you need, you're going to see how perfect this is. So what I did was flip that plate around, and we're going to use Mod Podge. I used the glossy finish for this particular project, and we're going to be using that silver leaf, but I'm also going to come in with the gold later on. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm going to play a little bit of music and I'll come in and out of the video. Now, what I forgot to mention is really, now the leaf is very, how do you say that? Very light weight to work with. All I'm doing here, there's really no rhythm that I'm using. I'm kind of scattering the leaf pieces all over however I want them. And then I go in and pat the Mod Podge. I pat it down first just to get the leaf kind of in the Mod Podge. And then I start, kind of blending it around. It really is easy to work with. I was very surprised. It was my first time working with it, and you won't have any problems with it at all. So I am coming in, as you can see here, with the silver. Later on, I'll come in with the gold. Okay, now I have this iridescent wrap. It's not really a wrap. You can use it for dangling crystals. Anyway, I have plenty of this roll right here that you see me using, and it's iridescent. And I decided that plastic was entirely too plain. I also decided I didn't like the black cap that was on the top of that dome. Took it off, and we're going to paint that in gold. And I'm going to go ahead and place a couple of rows of that iridescent crystal around the dome, just to give it some that little bling bling it needed. Now, I also had left over a little bit of a bling chain that I was using, and we weren't going to waste anything. So I went ahead and I embellished the top of that cap before we put it back on top of the dome. Okay, now the silver was dry, and what you see me here is using the gold leaf. I decided to use the gold leaf because the mixture of the metals, I was liking the look. It gave it that glam look. It didn't have to be just the one color. I don't know. I decided to mix the metals, and I really, really love the end result. Can't wait for you to see it. So this came out absolutely gorgeous, better than I thought. Both pieces, they look like they came as a set. Now I Mod Podged the bottom, so of course the top is, you can place anything edible in it. There it is. Didn't that come out beautiful? I am just so happy. I did embellish it with this bow. Now we're gonna head on over to the reveal, guys. Now, I do want to thank the host, the Rustic Willow and House to Home. I also want to thank the guest host, Crafty Art Shack, for hosting this collaboration. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.